This video will show you how to call an API through simple authentication. With simple authentication, AppIg verifies only the generated app code and the request content does not need to be signed. An API that supports simple authentication has been created and published before calling. The general procedure includes 4 steps. First, create a credential. Second, bind the credential to the API. Third, add an app code in the credential. Fourth, call the API. First, ensure that simple authentication has been enabled for the created API and the API has been published. Create a credential, enter the credential name and description, and click OK. Next, we need to bind the credential to one or more APIs. Click the name of the credential, click Add App Code, select Automatically Generated, and copy the app code. Use an API test tool to configure the API calling. Here we use the gateway ZIP to call the API in the default group. After setting the request path, add the copied app code to the header and send the request. If the API is called properly, the simple authentication is successful.